Welcome to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to lock and unlock layers in Adobe Photoshop. Let's get into it. Alright, so I'm guessing you already have your picture opened. The first way we can do this is just by clicking this little padlock right here. Click. Now it's unlocked. Now if clicking it doesn't work, we're going to try this method. Okay, the first way to do this is by duplicating the layer. So press Ctrl J on your keyboard and that will duplicate the layer, or you can right click on it and press duplicate. Alright, next we want to double click the background layer. And it's going to bring up new layer. We can name it whatever. I'm just going to name it background, and we can choose the color of the background of the layer. Sorry, you can add some effects to it. I'm just going to leave it on normal, and you can also choose the opacity of it, and then press OK when you're done. I'm just going to delete this layer to show you. Now the background layer is editable. That is it for this video. If it did help, please hit that like button, and if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button as well. Leave a comment telling me what videos you would like to see on the channel, and that is it from me. Peace out.